Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. CCIV had a huge dump after hours for the announcement. So it's down to around $39 and it hit a low of 31 bucks. I don't know if this is a low. It might actually keep dipping a little bit lower. I do think that it's going to generally stay around this area between maybe like 30 bucks, maybe 29. I haven't looked at the charts for CCIV. But I still have that price target. I still think it's going to be $75 within another month or so. Because you guys, I mean, everything basically dropped from NIO and Tesla. I do think Tesla, the only reason Tesla dropped was because of that Bitcoin sell-off. And then once Tesla dropped, all the other EVs dropped because obviously now Tesla is going to correlate with Bitcoin because, you know, percentage of Tesla's money is now in Bitcoin, right? So you are gonna be seeing that correlation of Bitcoin and Tesla now because they hold a bunch of Bitcoin. But for CCIV, I did think the news was gonna prop it a lot higher. I didn't think that Bitcoin was gonna drop and then making Tesla drop and then making all the other EVs drop, right? So I didn't think that was actually gonna happen. But as of right now, still holding. I'm still thinking that relatively, I do think CCIV is gonna prop back up. There's no reason for it to stay, in these levels, especially after the merger was announced, right? And I do think that the sell-off for EVs happened because Bitcoin sold off, which triggered Tesla to sell off. And the funny part is, I actually on my RKT video, I think yesterday that I released, I called Tesla hitting under 700 bucks. I'm like, Tesla's going under 700 bucks. I can already see it, right? I don't know if this is the bottom because I haven't looked at Tesla's chart. I actually looked at it today for a little bit, so I do think there's a chance that it might go lower again into the 600s, but I gotta look at the chart again, right? As of right now though, I don't think CCIV is going to keep breaking on the lower side, and I do think within that month we're still going to see that $75 price target that I said like a day or so ago when I talked about CCIV. So I'll see you guys later.